What's going on, YouTube? We're back with a long overdue video, which we're sorry about. My car has been dragging us through absolute hell, and his too, and everybody else's. Jaden's transmission broke again. We'll get into that later. My car keeps breaking. If you remember a couple videos ago, I was talking about my injectors messing up. We've been battling that since then. It's been about a month and a half since it's really been running straight. But we'll get into that later. Today, we've got my buddy Cody's transmission, full Synchrotech Master Rebuild kit going in here. And this isn't really going to be like a how-to video because, you may do it differently. I don't want any criticism. I try and do it as close to, Honda specs as possible. But we've already got the case open because it had some second gear issues. We were pretty anxious to get it open and see if we could find out if anything obvious was in there. But yeah, we'll get right into it. And yeah, you'll just kind of see what goes into rebuilding a transmission. Already took the selector out. Alright, so we're going to start with the main shaft. Gonna make a time lapse of the disassemble and reassemble, and then we'll move on to the counter shaft, and then we'll move on to the case. It's got some seals, bearings, things like that. So yeah, let's dive into it. both shafts reassembled with new synchros, got the new bearings and seals in the case. Like I said, it's not really a how-to video, more so I guess of a time-lapse. But gonna go ahead and get the case back on, close this thing up with a fresh seal, and put all the accessories back on, and that's it.
Cut that part out, you can't see back there.
14. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. That's all that goes into it. Input shaft turns nice and free. Fresh axle seals. And all the junk parts. This is a Civic Type R transmission. Factory LSD. And we just got cleaned up. That's gonna pretty much wrap things up for tonight. Hope you enjoyed the little time lapse. Like and subscribe, and we'll be back.